Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Millie here. So today we are going to learn a little bit about concealing and correcting. I have a ton of products. I have been collecting all these for over the years and I have come down to some simple basics and I'll be sharing that with you today. Before we go ahead, take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. Alright, so we are going to be going into the palettes as well as the individual concealers, correctors. I hope you can see that. So first things first, I'll start off with the foundation base. I generally like to use my foundation first because the foundation will even out your skin tone. And so after you apply your foundation, you are going to get a very fair idea of how much coverage you need. Alright, it's like sometimes if you're using a really full coverage foundation, you may not need as many of these products, and sometimes you do. So the first thing to do is use your foundation evenly. After that, I generally like to go in with these kind of yellows and salmons, and these are the yellows. This is a yellow here, and there's another yellow that NYX does, which is also very nice. So these are the yellows. These guys tend to cancel out any kind of darkness, any pigmentation, any bruising, or like if you have dark spots left behind by blemishes, which is my personal problem. If I get a pimple, the pimple may go, but the spot is going to remain for like months to come. This helps a lot in just dabbing a bit over that. The yellow is going to neutralize the darkness in a really nice way. The other color, this is the salmon color, is my particular favorite. This is loved by medium fair skin tones. If you're a medium skin tone like me, this is your best friend for under the eyes. Even if you're a little bit darker, a shade or two darker, this is still going to be great because this has got a pink, it's got a little bit of pink in it, which tends to cancel out the darkness under the eyes, because I'm talking about this color here, the salmon color. This is also great for any kind of pigmentation, any kind of bruising, blemishes, everything. The next thing I do is, after I am done, first I go in with the salmon color. Usually that's enough to cover anything, but after salmon I go in with the yellow. I'll be showing that to you of course in the demo. So this and this together and I'm sorted. Sometimes I still need to go in with concealer. So if you are like really dark, or if you've got an event or a marriage or any kind of a party to go to, it would be awesome to first go in with the salmon shade, then with the yellow around any kind of, not only just under eyes, but any kind of pigmentation you may have, like I have a lot around my mouth, and then go in with your shade of concealer. These are the three basic things that will be sorted. If you've got a lot of redness, then you can use a green correctors. I don't have any green correctors because I don't have the red problem at all. So, but if you've got any kind of acne, rosacea or any of those problems, the green one would be a good bet for you. Overall, these are the kind of concealers and correctors I work with most of the time, and they are enough. And now let's get down to seeing the demo. So we have the NYX Conceal and Correct palette as well as the MAC palette. You have the NYX Face Duo and individual concealers and correctors. The Pro Conceal from LA Girl works really well because it's a deep salmon. It works excellent for the under eyes. So I'm starting off with the Nivea Lip Balm to just moisturize my dry chapped lips. I am wearing nothing but HD foundation from Makeup Forever, just foundation and nothing else. Now straight in, I'll be going in with the salmon colored corrector from LA Girl. This goes on all the problem areas around my mouth, underneath my eyes, any other kind of pigmented areas you may have. This is going to just nicely cover those up. I'm using a thin brush to just evenly spread the product out and give it a nice smooth even finish. I also use my fingers many times because it just helps the product to sink in and look really smooth and flawless. So I'm going in with this. After this, I'll be going in with a damp beauty blender and just blending that all down to a nice seamless finish. Next in is the yellow corrector. This, as you see, is going to just help to brighten up all the darkness underneath my eyes, around my mouth, any other places like around your nose or any other place. Even if you have a blemish or a spot happening, this is going to conceal that pretty well. Underneath your foundation would be much better. So I'm using the brush again. I prefer my fingers, but I'll just do this to even it out very well. And after this, I'm going in with my fingers so the warmth helps the product to melt into my skin. After that, again, the damp beauty blender, all the problem areas follow up like before around your mouth, under the eyes and wherever else around the chin, wherever you have any kind of pigmentation happening. A damp beauty blender works really well to give a very seamless and airbrushed finish. Next in is the concealer, the actual concealer, any one you may use. I'm going in for the NYX one this time. So I'll be taking some of that on the back of my hand and then using that underneath my eyes. Very thin layers. You are using 3 products, but if they are used very thinly, they won't even show. Done well, this is going to give you an absolutely flawless finish. So underneath the eyes, around the mouth, around the chin, wherever you have any kind of darkness happening. I prefer my fingers for this, after which I tend to go in with a damp beauty blender. This totally evens out everything and just gives a very, very seamless finish. And that is the skin done. So this is a very simple and effective way to get flawless skin. We are done, a dash of lipstick and our skin is ready to shine. So the principle of it is the yellow one is going to cancel out any darkness around your eyes, mouth, any pigmentation. It will work really well around those. Of course, you're going to go as deeper or as lighter as your individual skin tone. This pinky salmon one is really nice for under eyes. It cancels out all the darkness. I have dark circles, it erases them. It's like really, really nice. So after I use this and this, I go in with the concealers. You're going to do this and you are going to like get totally flawless skin. You are going to need to go as deep or as light as your individual skin tone is, but in essence these two are going to, especially this is going to cancel out most of the darkness. The yellow is going to cancel out purplishness, bruising around your face or any kind of, you know, darkness. This is awesome for under eyes. I tend to use this only for under eyes. Also, besides that, the Pro Girl one is like, it works really well too, because it's like, if you can make out, it's a reddish shade. It's got a little bit of salmon pinkness to it compared to the other skin colored concealers. So these kind of colors work really, really well for under eyes. So guys, I hope this was of help to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And these are the looks that you are going to finally end up with. I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.